Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen Tiguan here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, first you want to make sure your ignition is switched on. And then you're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. From here, I'm going to go to menu. Then driver assist. Then settings, then front assist emergency braking. So from here you can turn it on by having medium, late or early. So if it's on early, if the car's in front of you and it starts braking, it will automatically brake for you early or late, or you can turn it off completely.